Hi, my name is Mark. I am the founder of Get Fit, specialists in far infrared therapy. Now, just as an introduction, far infrared actually is light. It's an invisible frequency of light. You cannot see it, and the way that you commonly experience far infrared is on a cold, sunny day, for example, blue skies and sunshine, freezing cold. Now, when you're in the shade, of course, you're very cold. The moment you step out into the sun, you start to experience warmth. An internal warmth. The body is getting warmed from within. However, the air temperature has remained the same. Now, what is happening is that there is a portion of daylight that is far infrared, that is invisible, that does not heat the air, but will warm the body. And what actually happens in that process is that the cells of the body absorb light, the far infrared, and there is a warming effect. Heat is released within the cells as they absorb the light. So you start to get warmed through. It's that sunshine effect, like being on the beach and just getting that beautiful, relaxing warmth throughout the whole body. And of course, what's so exciting about far infrared is that when you send light into the cells of the body, it gives you the possibility of cleansing the cells, flushing them with light, but also when you send light into the cells of the body, it's the purest form of energy that the body can use, which means that if there's cell damage, that the cells can be stimulated to start repairing and healing. So two takeaways, simple takeaways from far infrared therapy that are really huge. Number one is a cleansing effect. Literally flushing the cells with light enables you to clear out any metals, chemicals, pesticides or toxins that may have accumulated in the cells. That's really crucial in this modern age. And of course, the second benefit is that if the cells are damaged, which often they are, because there's contaminants in the cells, when you send light into the cells, it can trigger repair of those cells. That is very significant for our overall health and well-being. Anyway, that's all for today. Click on the link below. Please feel free to download our far infrared guide, and that will give you further information on far infrared. Anyway, thank you very much. Bye-bye.